In this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock website on a school Chromebook. So in order to do this, you're going to open up a website, type in HTML edit, that is carefree.com, and then press enter. So in here, just copy what I'm doing right now. So I will be typing in something here. So I'm gonna zoom it out for you to see. So once done, you will see here the word unblocker. Just go ahead and click that one. So once done, a new format will open. So actually, you can resize this one. So basically, you can search anything here without censorship. So in here, let's find the 503 page. Just click that one and you will be directed to the proxy. So in here, basically, you can search anything here. You can try searching discord.com or google.com or roblox.com. So whatever you want. So that's how to unblock website on school Chromebook. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.